Okay, so today we're just going to give Peter some Panicure 100 for worming. I'm just going to get him out of the cage and just assess him. Okay, stay there, smell. Come here, Peter. Come here, baby. Here we go. Okay. So we're just going to check Peter. Actually, we might just weigh him first. Okay. Stay there, Baba. Okay, so Peter is 4.6 kilos. Okay, we're just going to check his body temperature. Oops. Where's my clock? Okay. So he's 4.6 kilogram. Okay. Alright, let's just check. Stay there. Okay, we're just going to check his respiratory rate. Okay, so we'll just mark on here. So we'll do 7. Okay, we're just going to check his temperature. We're just going to clean this just to make sure that it's 100% clean before we use it. Okay, I'll just put a bit of gel on that. Come here, Peter. Okay, so he's 37.6. We're just going to wipe this again with a disinfectant wipe. Okay, so we got 37.6. Okay, so we're just going to administer Peter. So with the Panicure 100, for a rabbit dosage, it's 0.1 mils per kilogram. So he is 4.6. So we're just going to do 0.4 mils. I have put some into a little jar just for this because it's easier to administer it out for the video. Okay, so 0.4. So we have 0.4 mils. We are just gonna, I know he's not gonna like it, but considering he's being a pretty good boy. Okay, then that's gonna go in the garbage bin. The rest of this I will use for the other rabbits after the video. We're just gonna check. Oh, come here, it's okay. We're just going to check his teeth. His teeth seem very healthy. His gums are in a good condition. I'm going to check into his ears and make sure his ears are nice and clean. They usually are very clean. His brothers like to clean him out. we've done all that. Okay, and we'll put him back, and then we'll just get one of the other nurses to come and check him, just to make sure, oh, it's okay, just to make sure that his heart rate and everything's fine. But it sounds very strong and very healthy. So we'll put him back in his house. We could probably do a nail clip as well and see how we go. Okay, pause it. All right, Penny. You just shredded my glove at the perfect time.